Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. And if you have been with me all this while, thank you for staying with me. And I just want to appreciate all of you for as many that have been following me. I really appreciate all of you. I love you all, and God loves you more. Yes. Today, I just want to talk quickly about the third eye. Yes, boosting your third eye. Yes, I made a video. If you have not seen that my video about the three coconuts, how to use three coconuts to boost your spiritual eye. If you have not seen that video, you can watch that video. You know how to boost your spiritual eye using using three coconuts by Medlock. Yes. So guys, after that video, a lot of people have been reaching out to me. Some have been saying it has improved, their ability to see things, and some said they've not noticed any change. So what I'm trying to explain to, and some also say that they are afraid that they are scared of seeing things that they cannot handle, or if they want to stop seeing those things, what will they do? What are they supposed to do? Because I've been receiving a series of questions, I have come again to re-explain this thing to us so that we can understand. You see, the issue of spirituality, your ability to see things, some people are naturally born with it. Yes, some are naturally born with it. You see yourself seeing things, and when you talk, people will think you are crazy. Yes, and some, you develop your ability, your third eye. When I say third eye, that is to see beyond this your physical eyes. Yes. So some people, there are three different ways that you can boost your spiritual eye. One, you can start seeing things literally, as in koro like this with your eyes. You can start seeing things. Yes. See, you will come to a funeral where somebody is there, maybe wakekeeping or whatever. That person that is dead, that is lying inside the coffin, you can see the person. Yes, you can see the person. That's why you see at times you see some people, they will be talking to the dead person. You understand? You talk to dead people, they'll say, hey, can you hear me? You mean you can actually see me? Yes, I can see you. And then you talk and say, okay, this person says so and so. You understand? People be amazed. But that is not what I'm saying. Please. Because last time in my video I explained, I said some people will say, you when you're walking on the street, when you blink your eye, you may see somebody, a normal person. You understand? But when you blink your eye again, you might see that same person in another mood. Why? Because you are receiving messages concerning that particular person. You understand? It's either you talk to the person or you walk away. You are not his pastor. You are not his this thing. Me, I'm not a pastor. I am a YouTuber. I am a blogger. Okay, my channel is not a church. My channel is an information provision channel, and I am born this way. So if I see things, it's not because I am a pastor. Okay, because it is not compulsory for you to see vision, even if you are a pastor. Yes, as I am like this naturally, if you are looking for me, if you are looking for me in the spirit, I will see you. If you see me, I see you. Yes, that is how it is. But it's not everybody that has this ability. It is God that created people in different ways. Everybody has their own ministry. Everybody have their own. Forget the fact that some are in the church. It's not everybody that is in the church that is not Some people, they have their own ministry, even if they are not in the church. That is what I want to say. Yes. You see, some have this ministry of giving, some have ministry of teaching, some have ministry of seeing vision, some have ministry of giving prophecy. Some can just talk to you and that thing will come to pass. Yes. And that is why such people are very dangerous. Yes, they are dangerous in the sense that if they say good things to you, it will come to pass. If they say bad things to you, what happens? It will also come to pass. So there are people like this, they are born this way. You understand? So when I say on the street, you maybe you go to a supermarket now, you see some people there, you understand? And then you see somebody, a man dressed very well in a suit, carrying briefcase. But this man, when you look again, this man is looking very tattered, with tattered cloth or with mud all over his body, you know. Or some people, you see them with handcuffs. It is a message. You understand? It means the person is under maybe spiritual bondage, especially those ones in handcuffs. You understand? And then those ones that are looking tattered, but in physical, they are looking neat, but in the spirit realm, they are in serious abject poverty. You understand? And that is why at times a pastor will look at you and say, my brother, can I speak to you? As you are standing like this now, you have nothing. But when you look at the person physically, the person is looking very creamy. Yes. It is the message that the man, the prophet or whatever is saying, that is telling you the way it is. And it is the spiritual controls the physical. So anything that is happening to you in the physical must have happened in the spirit. But at times, it will happen in the spirit and then there will be a warning so that you can pray. You understand? You can pray against it so that you will not, it will not happen in real life. You understand? So, we need to look at this. It is not if you use 3 coconuts to wash your face. Yeah? And again, let me tell you one thing. There's something I didn't add there. You see, when you put it in that bottle of water, you can use it to wash. At least don't allow it to stay too long. You understand? Finish off. As you're washing your face, you take a sip. Do you know why you're taking a sip of it? It's because when you say something, that thing comes to pass. Yes. You say it, you decree it, just the way you eat alligator pepper. You chew alligator pepper to decree, to say some things. It's like that. This is a deep knowledge of spirituality I'm sharing with you now. Okay? So, it depends on your own discretion. You are not going to see bad things. It will increase your intuition. What do I mean by intuition? Your ability to discern. Yes. When you at times somebody is talking, somebody give you a call. My brother, I want you to come to so place. My sister, I want you to come to so place. So thing is happening. This and that. Then there will be an inner voice within you telling you that this is danger. This is a trap. I hope you understand. Then you will not go. Or you may be sitting down and something will say, get off from this place. Start going now. Move. And when you move out of that place, give it 20 minutes or 30 minutes, there will be serious happening in that place. Either some gunshots or bomb will go off there or something else will happen. You understand? So, and again, it will improve your clarity when you dream. Yes. When you have a dream, you will see yourself. Whatever that you're saying, anybody that is attacking you or the source of your problem, you'll be able to see it. You can dream now, you see yourself in your father's house. When you see yourself in your father's house, you are in Canada, you are seeing yourself in Cameroon, it means they are inviting you home. They are calling you home. It is a spirit of backwardness, limitation, setback. You are in Germany and you are seeing yourself in Ado Ekiti. You are in UK and you are seeing yourself in Nnewi, in Imo State or Owerri, somewhere. Do you understand? You will see it. The best thing is God to reveal something to you ahead of time. Why? Because He's preparing so that you can pray. But if God is revealing these things to you, you see them in your dream and you discard them, then those things will come clamping down on you. Yes. So guys, I don't want to stay too long. I just want this video to be just 10 minutes. I don't know why it's stepping into 11 minutes. So please, let us ponder on this. And if it doesn't work for you, please leave it. Okay? 3 coconut, if it doesn't work for you, leave it. But some people are already, it's working for some people. So, but if it's not working for you, don't force yourself on it. There will be other aspects of improving your third eye. Yes. And I told you guys that this my channel. It is a channel where we look for information, natural things, that will help us. So as the knowledge is unveiling, we'll continue to discuss with ourselves here. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel now. And I've noticed that you guys are no longer giving me thumbs up. Please give me thumbs up now. Give me thumbs up. When you watch my video, give me thumbs up now. What will it take from you? All right, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.